Here is your quick guide to safety and usage for the NutriPro Slow Juicer. Can you use ice cubes in this machine? No. Avoid adding ice cubes. As well as dry or very hard ingredients. Should you remove seeds and peels? Yes. Always remove hard seeds, central pits, thick peels and shells before juicing. Can you reprocess pulp? No. Reprocessing pulp can block the pulp outlet. Why should juice be consumed immediately? Fresh juice oxidizes quickly, meaning it can lose nutrients and freshness if left out. If needed, store your juice in a sealed container in the refrigerator. Can you insert tools or hands into the chute? No. Never put spoons, knives or hands into the feeding chute. Only use the provided pusher to guide your ingredients. Can you operate the juicer continuously for long periods? No. Only run the juicer for up to 30 minutes continuously. Then, turn it off and allow it to cool for at least 30 minutes. Can you move or take apart the juicer while it is running? No. Always switch it off and unplug the unit before moving or handling the parts. Can children use the juicer? The juicer should only be operated by adults and kept safely out of the reach of children. DYLECT, built for you.